the females are going to be a bit faster since they are solitary out on the savannas, whereas someone like Bob Boy, he would be in a group called Coalition. So he had friends to help him hunt and defend his territory, so he doesn't have to be quite as fast. But I don't know if you guys know this, you can help cheetahs just like Bob and Debbie just by coming to the zoo today. So a portion of every single cheetah that we sell here goes directly to over 70 different conservation projects, including the Cheetah Conservation Fund that helps cheetahs out on
Zoom
Africa. So on behalf of Bob, Debbie, and all of those cheetahs and our team, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day at the Columbus Zoo. Bye, guys.
Pretty.
Zoom on pretty.
Did you get a good picture?
Okay.